Hello, this is a screencast of my StoryJumper class management. So here is the name of my class right here, my first grade class. And then here I have some students that I have listed. In order to add students, I can just come right here. I can add one student at a time by entering their name and their username. Or I can add them via a file. So if I had like an Excel document of students' names and other information, then I can enter that in that way. And then for their parents, if I want to email a parent so that they have permission to use this at home, I can just put the parent's email address right there and it would send this template to them that has their student's name in it so that they can give their students permission to use that. Yep, and that's where all my student class roster would be.